Hello guys, welcome to Agri and GK lessons. In this video, we are studying the cultivation practices for field pea. The botanical name of field pea is Pisum sativum, family is Fabaceae or Leguminosae. The common name or the local name of field pea. In Hindi, we called Matar and in Marathi, it is Watana. Field pea is mainly consumed as a dry seed or the tender pods of field pea is harvested at the time of physiological maturity for table purpose. The global scenario of area production and productivity is given in this table. Particular with India has 0.62 million hectare area of cultivation gives production about 0.56 million tons and has productivity 0.91 tons per hectare. Likewise, the Indian scenario state-wise given in this table. The major growing states of field pea are UP, MP, Assam, Rajasthan. The average productivity of India is about 0.95 tons per hectare. The origin of field pea is Mediterranean region of Europe and West Asia. Field pea has two types of varieties. First is garden pea having botanical name Pisum sativum variety hortense and field pea having botanical name Pisum sativum variety urvens. Field pea is an annual herbaceous plant having well developed taproot system. The major recommended varieties are Rachna, Pant Matar 5, HUP2, DMR 11. The crop duration of field pea is about 110 to 140 days. Seed weighs about 160 to 240 milligram. So soil requirement for field pea. It is cultivated in all types of soil from poor to fertile soil, but soil should be well drained because it is very sensitive to saline and alkalinity of problematic soils. Next, the field preparation. Field pea is suitable seedbed suitable for the field pea cultivation is this rough seedbed obtained through medium tillage, seed treatment with rhizobium for nodulation, as well as the treatment of insecticides and fungicide is also given for protecting it from the upcoming seed-borne and soil-borne diseases and infestation of the pest. Major growing season of field pea is a Rabi season. And in Maharashtra, the recommended sowing time of field pea is 15 October to 15 November, means second fortnight of October and first fortnight of November is the recommended sowing time for Maharashtra. Seed rate of field pea. For small seeded, it is about 50 to 60 kg per hectare, and for large seed, bold seeded field pea is about 80 to 90 kg per hectare. And the recommended seed rate for Maharashtra is about 70 to 80 kg per hectare. Sowing method used are broadcasting drilling method or seed drilling. Next, the optimum depth of the sowing. Field pea seeds are sown at a depth where there is the optimum moisture percentage for good germination. So for nutrient management, this table depicts the nutrient management for Tamil Nadu region. And for Maharashtra, the nutrient requirement or the RDF recommended for field pea about 25 as 50 Np/kg per hectare. And full dose of nitrogen and phosphorus, full dose of RDF is applied at the time of sowing. Weed management. Mostly the hand weeding and hoeing is practiced in field pea. If not possible, then we are controlling the weed population with the help of chemicals, mainly the herbicides. Flucloraline is the most commonly used herbicide in a pulse crop. So harvesting of field pea. Overripening of pods leads to shattering and loss of grains. That's why it is harvested at a right time. When pods are dry, we are cutting the entire plant and dry and thresh. And the seeds of field pea stored at 8 to 10% moisture. If garden pea is there, then we are harvesting the pods at a physiological maturity for canning purpose or for table purpose. So some of the MCQs on field pea. Field pea is commonly known as mutter. Center of origin of field peas, Mediterranean region of Europe, West Asia. Inflorescence of field peas, axillary raceme. The recommended seed rate of field pea is about 60 to 80 kg per hectare. The crop needs a climate above of cold and dry climate is needed for the crop. Pea should be treated with rhizobium inoculation of Rhizobium leguminosarum. Next, how much of pea is treated with one packet of Rhizobium culture? Means one packet has 250 grams of Rhizobium and it is useful to inoculate 10 kg of seeds. Next, what is the ideal temperature for the germination of pea? Is about 22 to 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Maximum area under pea cultivation in India is in Uttar Pradesh. Higher yield of pea could be achieved by use of high dose of phosphorus. That's why is the 50 in the recommendation. 50 phosphorus per hectare is the recommendation. So that's all about field pea cultivation. Thanks for your patience. Thank you so much.